part of the story when the queen comes with the keys to the castle. What will happen next?
Hey, come down!
What will happen next to the princess?
What are you doing?
I'm watching you guys on the camera.
Oh, beautiful.
I'd love to see you dancing.
So then the bad guy can dance.
Hey, honey, we're dancing. We're dancing. Yeah. Bravo, friends. Beautiful ballet.
Well done, musicians. Thank you.